Hi guys, welcome back. This is Maths 3000. Today I'm going to show you how to rearrange the formula V equals U plus AT. So the first question then is to make U the subject of the formula. So if I just copy down the formula first of all. So what we want to do is make U the subject. So we just need to get rid of the plus AT. So to do that we just need to subtract AT from both sides. So on the left hand side that will give us V minus AT, and that will now be equal to U. So we've now made U the subject. One final thing to do though, you just need to put the U at the start of the formula instead of at the end, and that is our formula for U. So let's have a look at the second example. So this time we've got to make A the subject. This time, let's just copy our formula down first of all. So this time we're making A the subject. So if we look at what's happening to A on the right hand side, first of all it's been multiplying by T, and then we're adding on U. This is plus U here. So what we need to do is do the opposites in reverse. So if we first of all get rid of the U by subtracting U from both sides, so on the left hand side that will give V minus U equals AT. So A is now being multiplied by T, so the opposite is to divide by T. So we'd have to write this in algebra as V minus U, the whole lot is divided by T, equals A. So we've now made A the subject. So if we just write it out again with the A at the start of the formula. So let's have a look at our third example. This time we're going to make T the subject. So this time it's very similar to the last example we did. So if we just copy down our formula again. So this time we want T the subject. So T is being multiplied by A, and then we're adding on U. So if we get rid of the U first of all, because that's furthest out. So if we take U off both sides, so that will give us V minus U equals AT. So we now need to get rid of the A. So T is being multiplied by A, so the opposite is to divide by A. So we just divide this by A, so we'd write it down as V minus U divided by A equals T. And then just copy down the formula again with the T at the start. So T is equal to V minus U over A. So I hope you like this formula. If you did, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. Bye bye.